Where is this part?
Can you imagine this is still the #1 workflow in the world to find the good parts of a take? I don't want to waste time with that. I want a solution that lets us get creative right away.
Do you charge the battery?
Shh, quiet. Bert will be here any minute. This is the NanoLockit.
Psst, Dave, it's here.
See? I just press a button. Green is for the good stuff, red is for don't even look for it in post.
Hi, folks.
Outtake. Now all I have to do is import the logs from the NanoLockit. And browse the markers in my editing tool. Don't be old school. Go nano.
Okay, let's just add another star wipe here and here.